They called the Z8 the Mini Z9. They said it was perfect in a smaller body. But Nikon knows perfection is just the starting line. For the last year, while Canon and Sony have been trying to catch up, Nikon has been secretly engineering the one camera designed to utterly redefine the professional hybrid shooter market, the Nikon Z8 II. This isn't just an update. This is the integration of next-generation intelligence and performance into a body that pros already love. The leaks are clear. The Z8 II is a beast. It's faster, it's smarter, and it finally solves the remaining compromises of high-end mirrorless cameras. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Are you ready to see the specifications that will leave your competitors scrambling? Because we're diving into the secret upgrades that make the Nikon Z8 II the unavoidable purchase for any serious professional. Let's start with the engine. While the 45.7 megapixel stack sensor is rumored to remain, the heart of the Z8 II is rumored to be the new, unannounced EXPEED processor. This is not a minor bump. This new chipset is rumored to increase the buffer depth so profoundly that you can essentially shoot 45 MP RAW files continuously until your card fills up. Imagine capturing a full minute of a 20 frames per second action sequence without the camera ever slowing down. For sports, wedding, and wildlife photographers, this is the end of buffer anxiety. Furthermore, the EXPEED is rumored to unlock even faster frame rates in certain cropped modes, potentially giving you bursts up to 140 frames per second, turning milliseconds into manageable stills. This kind of speed is not a luxury, it's a competitive advantage. The Z8's autofocus was brilliant, but the Z8 II is rumored to be borderline telepathic. Leaks point to a revolutionary, dedicated AI deep learning engine that goes far beyond the current Z8. The Z8 II is rumored to track subjects in ways no camera has before. It won't just track an eye, it will track the subject based on their pose, their clothing pattern, and their overall vector of movement. We're talking about an autofocus system that maintains rock-solid lock-on, even if the subject briefly turns their back or is momentarily obscured by objects. It is rumored to drastically improve subject detection in low light, potentially hitting a staggering -10 electron-volt sensitivity in starlight mode. The low-light professional is about to be gifted a superpower. The Z8 offered incredible 8K video, but the big question was always, for how long? The Nikon Z8 II is rumored to finally address the thermal limitations of its predecessor. Leaks suggest a new internal cooling architecture, possibly using a heat pipe or vapor chamber solution, that allows the camera to record 8K/60p RAW continuously for well over 90 minutes. This is the key that unlocks the Z8 II as a true cinema-grade camera for documentary, narrative, and long-form content. But the video updates don't stop there. Rumors suggest the Z8 II will bring internal 6K ProRes RAW capability and potentially increase the 4K slow motion from 120p to a blazing 4K/180p, giving filmmakers even more flexibility for high-resolution slow-motion capture. This is the hybrid camera that truly makes a dedicated video camera optional. The Z8 was praised for its handling, but a few flaws remained. The Z8 II is rumored to fix them all. The most requested change? Battery life. Sources indicate a new,